Our visit to Zion National Park has been different because of COVID-19. Certain parts of the park are closed, and it is not that easy to enter the park to hike the trails. We want to show you our experience in the park with the ongoing pandemic. Because of COVID-19, you need shuttle tickets to go into the canyon, and they're all sold out, of course. I looked at 9:15. There were 2 shuttle tickets for the time block of 9 to 10, and we're here at 10:03. Got into the shuttle, and now we're gonna figure out what hike we're gonna do.
We're about to do the Angel's Landing hike. Let's see how it's gonna go. So 10 minutes in, and it's blazing.
Yeah.
I think it's like 100 degrees now. The trail is paved.
Yeah.
So you can kind of see it's not very difficult. The only difficult part is
elevation.
You're walking straight up.
Yeah.
But you got wonderful views. Still haven't seen a rattlesnake though.
Some part of the trail is in the shade. It's very steep.
And it's straight up for the first hour.
Yeah.
I think we're almost to the top.
Yes.
How do you feel?
A bit better now that we had a break.
Okay.
I feel like we're almost there.
Yeah, you get a break during the middle of the hike because you go through like the canyon, so it's
Yeah.
nice and chill. We're making it to the top. Almost there.
Let's just take a moment. Appreciate millions of years old rock.
That's Nikki's way of saying she's ready for a break.
Yeah.
So we made it to the top. So we made it as far as we can go, I think, because some of it's closed. And I think you can go up there too.
Yeah.
I see people there. So let's go check it out. It's magnificent, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's just being here, it's amazing that this could even be possible.
You do hike to the top of the mountain.
Mm-hmm.
So it's a very steep way up. But I would say worth it. Half
Yeah.
the hike is in shade
I'm not gonna go up the chains because that's all closed off.
because of COVID-19.
But we would recommend doing it because it looks like it would be so much fun.
Ball.
We're on our way back down. We made it back down.
In 3 hours.
In 3 hours. I would take a lunch with you, so when you get up at the top, you can
Relax.
relax and eat and kind of enjoy the moment.
On to hike number 2 today. hike number 2. Canyon Overlook Trail. It's already intense.
This is one of the first trails you see when you come into the park. And apparently, it's supposed to have some sheep. Oh, it's a goat. It is a goat. Close enough.
Such an adventurous hike.
I know, right?
All these ledges and canyons, and it's cool. Definitely do the Canyon Overlook Trail. It's definitely one of those unpaved trails where you're not sure if you're going the right way. Where do we go? That way?
Yeah. I have this mild feeling we're probably going the wrong way. Oh.
No, there's people.
Oh.
So we've done 2 hikes today. We're absolutely beat. The Canyon Overlook is definitely a must-do. It's very fun. We hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment in the description box to let us know what you thought. Watch our next video. Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
I think we're almost to the top.
Yes. I feel like we're almost there.
All right. So we're on the what trail?